Hi students, good morning one and all. In this class, today we will start Unit 5, Discipline. In this unit, the values covered are responsibility, self-control, determination. Responsibility means, suppose in the class, if you found any unclean things, we have to clean. Nobody will say to do like this, go like this. We should have some self-discipline. So one quotation is given, see in the textbook, page number 35. In the beginning, discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes ability. Everybody having their own talent. God gives us talent. Everybody we have in talent. But when your talent becomes ability, so that by using your ability you will get success. When it is possible, if you have that discipline which is refining fires, if you have the discipline that fires you, yes, I have to do something, I have to get success, I have to reach my goal. So nobody will tell us to do like this, to do like that. See, generally, I will say, related to this quotation, see, don't think that, in general, don't think that only intelligence people only will get success. Not only intelligence people only will get success. Who are having self-discipline, they will get the success. The people who are having self-discipline, that means you are having self-control, who are having self-discipline, self-control, they will reach their goals. That one is telling this quotation. Discipline is the refining fire. The discipline means something fire in you by which your talent becomes ability. If you have a discipline in your life, automatically your talent becomes your ability. That means your talent becomes your weapon in the battle, so that you will get success. So after that, in the page number 35, a good quotation is given by Mahatma Gandhi. See, what is that quotation? A woman must be like a snail who is always at home, but unlike the snail, she must not put on all that she possesses. She must be like an echo that doesn't talk unless it is asked to. But unlike the echo, she must not always have the last word. She must be like the clock of the clock tower for regularity and efficiency. But unlike the clock, she must not make so much noise as to be heard by all the neighborhood. So, how the woman, the qualities of a woman is describing here in this quotation. So, about discipline of a woman is telling in this quotation by Mahatma Gandhi. After that, in the page number 35, end of the page, you can observe a real life story. When a Greek philosopher Athenodorus was about to leave the royal court of Rome, Augustus, the emperor, asked him to give one good advice that could be remembered. See what this philosopher answered. Sure, answered the philosopher. That philosopher said very golden sentence. What is that? See the page number 36. Page number 36, first sentence. Don't take any important decision when you are in angry or feel nervous. That means in the angry time, don't take any important decision that which is related to you. It may be your life, it is related to your education, it is related to your future. Don't take any important decision when you are in angry or feel nervous. So, this you follow, always remember. So, see in the textbook he said, na, he asked one good advice that could be remembered. So please remember all of you. You never take any important decision when you are in angry mood. So who are having self-control? What are the fruits of the self-control? If you have a self-control, automatically you will have a confidence, you will have inner strength, you will follow punctuality, you will feel happiness in your mind, you will have pleasant mood. So when you are pleasant mood, then only you take important decisions related to your life. See about discipline, some other quotation is given, page number 36. What does this story tells you? What does this story tell you? Discipline is demanded from an athlete to win a game. So in a game, if athlete has to win a game, for him or for her, discipline is very important. Discipline is demanded from an athlete to win a game. Discipline is required for the captain running his ship. Discipline is the needed for the pianist to practice for the concert. Only in the matter of personal conduct is the need for discipline questioned. But if parents believe standards are necessary, then discipline certainly is needed to attain them. That means if parents are believing, in my child I want these standards, in my child I want this discipline, my child should be punctual, my child should go to school regular, my child has to listen the class attentively, she or he has to focus, they have to concentrate on the class, they have to complete the work every day, they should be regular. If parents are having some standards, if parents are having some demands in their child, automatically discipline will come in their children. Then the discipline certainly is needed to attain them. Automatically discipline will come in the students. If parents should have demand. Next, what is a discipline? Write down below. Now, after reading these quotations, these stories, actually what are you feeling as a student? What is a discipline? For you, you write. So, it's not by teacher is telling something you are reading and writing. On your own words you write. You discuss with your family members, your friends. You read these quotations. From this, what you understand about discipline, you write. And after that, this is activity 1 and activity 2. Here some quotations are given, page number 37. Go through the above quotes silently and underline the words or the phrases which strike you most. The phrases, the words which strike you most, you underline that words, that sentences, those you write again. That means the sentences which motivates you, which inspires you, that sentence you pick up that and write here. That is activity 2 we complete. And activity 3, write down the fruits of discipline. Just now I have discussed with you. What are the fruits of discipline? Here given one example, inner strength. If you observe any disciplined person, the person who have discipline, definitely they are having punctuality, they are having peace of mind, always they will have pleasant mood, they have confidence levels. They have confidence levels in their heart. Like this, you write some fruits of discipline. Inner strength, confidence, responsibility. They have self-control. They should not expose any temper. Who are having discipline, they can't get angry generally. Generally, they can't get angry. They should not have temper. That means for every small things, they don't lose the temper. Like these qualities, inner strength, confidence, responsibility, self-control, these all are the fruits of the discipline. This is activity 3. Next, a quotation is given by Jawaharlal Nehru also about discipline. In page number 38, I am myself a believer in discipline, and yet I suppose there can be too much of discipline. See, knowledge is unlimited, like an ocean. Whatever great philosophers, great persons, they never agree, I know everything. So in this quotation, I am myself a believer of discipline. Whatever you have in discipline, and yet, even though I suppose there can be too much of discipline, that means he's feeling some more discipline he has to learn. He has to adopt some more discipline, some more good qualities. Next activity 4. Write down any 5 areas where discipline is needed in your class. So in your class, in which area you feel discipline is required here? Like this something. For example, when teacher is absent in the class, the break comes between period to period. At that time, and which area? While going discussions, while doing activities, while doing any practice for programs. So which area? In the classrooms, in the playground. Like in which area discipline is needed in your class, school, you write here. Write down any next. In activity 4, there are 3 questions are there, page number 38. Write down any 3 areas where discipline is needed in your classroom. In your classroom, in which area you feel that discipline is needed, like that in your school also. Next question C, write down any 2 areas you need to improve in discipline. So in discipline you need to improve not only in school, at home I want to help to my mother today onwards. I want to help to my father in business. Like this. For example, I am giving. In which area? Today onwards I have to control myself. I have to control my anger. I should not expose my anger. I have to show patience. For example, your friends are absent. For that class, what is the notes? You can give the notes to your friends. You can explain those problems or concepts to your friends. In this area I want to improve. Like that you write on your own words. Now write down one concrete action of discipline you will practice from today. As I said just now. So one concrete action plan which you want to adopt in your life, that you write one action plan from today. You think, you take your own time, you think, you take one commitment. So whatever you are writing, you should follow in your life. In the first class of value education, I told you, the subject is not for marks for examination. The qualities, the values, the ethics, whatever you learning through this subject, these applicable to your life, not for this 8th class, 9th class. Throughout your life, you should think these points in every day. What is my commitment? What I have taken decisions, what you writing your action plans, you please follow in your life also. So in every chapter the prayer is given, but in this chapter is asking students will silently write down one prayer. That means you have to ask the God. I will give you some suggestions. That means you write prayer on your own. About discipline, this chapter discipline. So God give me good thoughts so that I can perform good actions in my life. I want to help poor people, or good habits so that I can habituate good habits. Like that, give me good thoughts, good behavior. I want to complete my work every day, time to time. I want to be punctual. Like that, you ask the God whatever you necessary so that you will get good discipline in your life. Finally, some proverbs are given. Inspirational quote, page number 39. I am reading. Parents who are afraid to put their foot down usually have children who stop on their toes. It means what parents follow, automatically their children also will follow the same thing. If parents having discipline in their life, in their actions, in their behavior, automatically their children also adopted the same discipline. Next, second one proverb is given. Always take plenty of time to make a snap decision. That means before taking any decision, you think more. Before taking any small decision, you have to think much and much more. Okay, thank you one and all. So complete your activities. I will send you pages also. Thank you one and all.